everyone, this is a look I created a couple of months back for a customer commission, and today I will be showing you all how to recreate this look yourselves. In this video I am using the Kryolan Aquacolour palette. I start off by using a little spritz of water to activate the paint, then I use a beauty blender to apply the makeup to my cheekbones, forehead and jawline. This can be a bit of a continuous process as it requires a lot of dabbing and blending the colour out. If you see me occasionally catching a glance upwards, that is me checking in for a reference. So I'm continuously dabbing at my forehead and the areas that I've been applying the blue. If you keep sort of like going at it, then it will just sort of like slowly blend out the colour and make it look a bit smoother, a bit more like a gradient. As you can see, it's slowly starting to look a bit more like shading rather than sort of like a block of colour. You can use like multiple areas of the sponge, each like the fatter end tends to make it a bit easier to sort of apply to a larger area and also dab away at larger areas. Here I'm just applying sort of streaks of paint just done around my jawline just to make that sort of stand out a bit more. It's basically as sort of like a contour. With my paintbrush I'm just sort of starting around the front of my eyebrows and making little streaks upwards. I'm also sort of slowly filling in the areas going down my nose. Make sure to sort of like start off with harder pressure at the bottom, just flicking up and using a lighter pressure towards the top. Next I'm going in with an orange, and this will be applied into my crease with a fluffy brush. What I'm doing is I'm slowly sort of blending out the pigment and working it up towards my brow bone, outwards as well. The more that you sort of like work in circular motions around your eye, the more it sort of like blends. Next I'm going in with a sort of dark pink colour, just to add a bit of depth. then going back in with the orange colour just to sort of start blending out a little bit more. I felt mixing both of these colours together would give off more of a coral effect, so it'd be like coral coloured. Now I've gone in with a light blue eyeshadow. This is all from the Beauty Bay Brights palette. I slowly work that from the outer edge of my lid to the middle of my lid. I'm also, whilst I'm doing this, I'm blending it with the orange eyeshadow as well, just so it has more of a smooth transition between the colours. Next I'm going in with some really bright highlighter. This highlighter is from Revolution. If you're in the UK, you can buy it from most drugstores, or you can order it online from Beauty Bay. So here I'm just slowly drawing a line underneath my eye in the same light blue that I used on my brows earlier. Now I'm taking some of the white from the Kryolan paint palettes and drawing little lines starting from like the outer edge of my face going inwards. I wasn't using a proper brush, so the lines are not as smooth as I would like. So these little wavy lines sort of give off like a rippling water effect. I also went into my cheekbones just to give that a bit more definition as well. Now I'm just going to pop some white into my eyebrows using a little spoolie. And I'm also going to use the white paint to go into my eyelashes to make them look a bit more white. And then I'm also going to add some little white accents into the spiky area of the paint just around my eyebrows, just to give it sort of like a splatter effect. Now I'm just applying some Prosaid to my face, just over the top of the blue spike paint, and I am applying some light blue flat pearls. Now I'm just taking the light blue eyeshadow from the Beauty Bay set and contouring my nose a bit. Now I'm taking the highlighter and going over my cheekbones. And now I've gone into the Kryolan Supracolour palette and picked an orange and then applied it straight to my lips. I wasn't too massively technical with this, but there we have it. This is the finished look. Thank you for watching. Please like this video and subscribe to my YouTube channel for more content. Also, go and check out my other social media platforms such as TikTok, Facebook and Instagram. Have a nice day.